Okay, so I'm currently at my aunt's house and the new fan has been installed, but the wiring they did is absolutely weird. As you can tell, this switch still goes for the same vanity light, but these two switches operate the fan. This one turns on the fan and the light. This fan is a NuTone Deluxe. It's a 70 CFM 3.5 sone model fan, and it's kind of rattling. And I can actually feel the air coming out from the vents. And this switch is for the nightlight and the heater. As you can tell, it's not even blowing out that much hot air. I'll give you one more startup of both. First fan. And now the heater. That's it for now.